Hi! Hey, you guys, we have found, I have been doing hair for 12 years, and for the longest time, I have sent my friends, family, clients, all day, every day, to different hair products, and I truly never believed in them. And it wasn't until we found this amazing, amazing company, and not only that, their packaging, you guys, is adorable. You're going to die.
So pretty.
So pretty. So the package alone, the first impression of the company had us at hello. Again, I am Mandy. This is Mindy here. So I am the after. She is the before. So we're going to go ahead and make Mindy look like Mandy. You guys ready?
Let's do this.
I cannot wait to share this.
Let's do this, you guys. I love these products.
I have spent hours in the bathroom straightening and recurling my hair just because I can't get over how fun these curls are.
Okay, make me look like you.
All right, let's do it. Okay, so you want to, first of all, always, especially with, we have been blessed with more fine, thin hair, which is great. I love it.
Kids.
The positive thing about it is it takes seriously under 5 minutes for me to curl my hair. When my friends, whenever we go on trips, they're in the bathroom for a lot longer than I am. So I'm in and out. It's amazing. With that being said, we want to make sure that we protect this hair so it can continue to grow. We have a heat protectant, and that is super, super important that you use that heat protectant. Okay, guys? Oh, hey, Britt.
Well, hey, Brittany's on here. Hey.
Yes. Britt, I can't wait. I know. All those curling irons I've sold you over the years. You just wait. You're going to be sold, and these will last you a lot longer than those other curling irons.
And you guys, we can get you the best deal.
Maddie! Hey, Maddie!
What's our code?
Maddie's asking how I got these curls. You just wait.
Oh.
You just wait. Oh, Mom's on. Hi, Mom. Mom, we cannot wait. Mother's Day, it's coming. We're going to buy you something amazing.
What's that code to get the discount?
The code. What is it? Twindle. Twindle is our code. If you guys go to this website and type in Twindle. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's tell them all about this, right? Okay, so I started with 4 products because I believe that this product is amazing. So I just jumped in with 2 feet and went for it. First of all, the thing I want to talk about is the blow dryer. You guys look at the company. It's Lange. It's amazing. Look at their blow dryer. It's pink. How great is that? I love this blow dryer because it does have the heat settings. It is so important. It also has that cool button. It's so important to know what heat setting is safe for your hair. So many people just throw their head over when they get out of the shower after it's brushed out and just blow dry their hair. That is a big no-no. The cuticle of the hair, if you blow dry up, it's giving you those split ends. It's blowing up the end of the hair. So you want to be really careful to not only use a high quality product, but also know your settings and learn them. So someone like us that is blessed with fine, thin hair, which is great, you want to use a lower setting. But if someone has thick, coarse hair, you can absolutely use a higher setting and get the job done a little quicker. So I love this nozzle for one reason, and it helps with the direction of the hair. So you're gonna go ahead and take a brush, and you're going to brush the hair and blow it with the cuticle. You never want to go against. This blow dryer will change your life. It's amazing. Let's move on to the flat iron. I love that this has settings. You guys, not every flat iron that I've ever sold has settings. And I find that some of my clients that were blessed with our hair, their hair is getting fried. This is amazing because you truly can do the setting. So you want to definitely turn it down. I'm all the way up to, let's see, it goes all the way up to 450. That is way too hot for our hair. So we're going to tone it down just a little bit to about 350. 350 should be safe for us. So you'll go ahead, it also adds shine to the hair. It's amazing. But I'm going to show you guys today. You'll want to take 1/2-inch sections and just come down. Can you answer some questions, Min? What questions are coming through?
Let's see.
So you're going to add some shine. It actually adds shine to the
Oh,
hair.
hey, Jess.
Hey, Jess.
Thanks for being here, girl.
Okay, so when you go to curl the hair, you're going to go ahead and grab those sections. Now, there are 3 different angles that you can hold the hair at. It gives you minimal volume, medium volume, or full volume. So if you hold the hair at 45 degrees, that's going to give you minimal volume. 90 degree is medium, and of course, 180 degrees straight up is going to give you full. What would you like today?
To look just like you.
Oh, that's easy.
What did you do?
Okay, so I actually did the full volume on top to give me a little oomph because I do have more thin hair. So let's go ahead and do Now I used a curling iron, which we're going to get to in a minute, but I just want to show how you can truly curl with a smoothing iron, a flat iron. Okay, so you're going to come in and rotate it. Okay, now you want to keep a constant flow and then rotate the hair the way you just curled it. Now, you've heated up the hair strand and it's hot, so you want to hold it for just a minute while it cools to keep that curl. So there you go. And you'll just go ahead and go through with that. So we're going to go ahead and straighten this out really fast. I'm going to show you another way. If you, again, we have more fine hair, but if you have thick or coarse hair, one thing that really helps with this is you want to actually preheat the hair strand before you actually curl it. So you'll come in, let's say 180 degrees all the way up here. We're going to give her some volume. You're going to come in, run it through one time, and then come through and curl that hair. Keep the curl and just give her that nice soft beach wave. Let's go ahead and take that out because I want to show, we're going to save the best for last, you guys. My favorite, my personal favorite hair, the wand. Okay, so there are two different sizes. This one is 25 millimeter. This one is 32.
Well, somebody just asked, is it rechangeable, or can you change it out?
Oh yeah, absolutely. So there's a locking method here. So there is a glove that comes as well. So you want to put on the glove when you change it out because it can get kind of warm if you do it right after. But you just twist it, pop it out, pop the new one in. It's pretty cool. It has these little, pop it right in. Okay, so I'm actually going to start. Are you okay with the 25?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's obviously the size of the curl. Some people can like use both. I like the tighter curl. It really is preference. So my suggestion is you'll take the hair and curl it away from the face. So we'll just come in. Now she has extensions in here, so we're just going to kind of work with those as well. I never grabbed a brush. Sorry.
It's right here.
You need a nice brush, like you have like